Did I cut my hair? Press record. Hey you, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Glasses is from Firmo UK. In case you're wondering, it's like blue lights blocking, good for blocking the light on my eyes. Well, for the purpose of this video, I'll be taking it off. So if you want to purchase these glasses, I have a discount. If you're interested, let me know. Well, that aside, the purpose of this video is that I'll be taking my hair down today. So in this video, I'm going to be taking down my bubble braids. Finally, this hair lasted me for a month, and I'm going to be I'll just say, like, this hair is very stylish and very editorial. My pro for this hair would be that it is very light, very lightweight. Like, people see the hair and then think that, oh, it is very heavy, or like I'm struggling to manage it, but that is not the case, I assure you. Another pro would be that it is a protective hairstyle, because my hair is literally woven. Okay, my hair is coming out now, but my hair is you know, safe here, and then all this work of art is just around it, so my hair is not exposed as much. The con part would be that this hair, I would advise that you do this hair over summer period, because then you will not have to wear a jacket that would have zipper and will be dragging this hair, because this hair is like is marley and is like kiki, so it's like sometimes when you wear like your jacket, it gets caught in it. And this is January, guys, this is like winter season, so it's not really the best hairstyle. It's best for, it's going to be a good protective hairstyle, but considering the weather and managing the hair while, you know, there's the cold season and where you have to wear a jacket on, I will not advise it. I will advise it to be done during summer. So summer, you guys might likely see me on this hairstyle, or I may be ginger to do a different hairstyle, I don't know, but I wish to use this hair again. Another con is that my hair is coming out here, so when I actually unraveled it, so this particular hair, there is like what I would see as a better one, but I've not tried it yet, so I don't know if it is better. But that one, I think, is more puffier, like it's a bigger kind of hair. This one is a slim hair that I unraveled to get it to like the puffy stage. Yeah, that is one. So I actually do have some packs remaining. I have like about 2.5 packs remaining. So when next, if I do intend to do this hairstyle again, I'll be mixing this with that, and then if I mix this with that, I will unravel more and try to use everything so that I would have enough hair to, you know, cover this. I don't know if you can see it, to cover my actual hair, you know. Yeah, because if someone with a different hair color wants to do like this particular color 2, if the person wanted to do color 2 and the person's hair is a different color, then they would need to use at least the entire pack to be able to mask their hair color, even though your hair color will show from the base, but you know, so that to prevent your hair from showing all the way here, so you use more hair, you know, which will require you to use all the pack. But for my hair, I only used like about 3.25 pack. Yeah, so it's still remaining 6 inside. So let's get to the loosening process. I need my lip gloss. I look so tired, because I am. Great stuff. So I'm going to be cutting this off, and I'll remove the rubber bands all the way so that I save the particular hair. If I do not want to intend to use the hair as much, I would just cut it all the way and just easily take it off. I'm wondering how fast I can be with this, because I want to snip. So I'll take this blade for the eyebrow something, and I'll just cut the rubber band, like just a little slice on it. And the rubber band I used is actually a very easy one to cut. It's not the fat one, so happy days. Oh guys, see, it's very tangly. I don't know, I don't want to have to cut it from the base. So this is loosened, yeah. And you remember when I did the making of the hair, I actually had a wrapping, what I called the wrapping hair, that I used to wrap around the ends of the hair, like this place, so that it rhymes with the hair, kind of, instead of using a rubber band. I don't know if that was a good choice for. So I'll be gently cutting that hair now. Just gently, because in case I cut my hair, I don't want to cut a chunk of it. Oh, I hope I'm not slicing my hair. I'm not slicing my hair. Oh, this is going to be very tasky. Jesus. Okay. 2. So hectic. So we have my hair here, safe and sound. I think it's grew a little. You guys, my aim is to grow my hair to nipple length, but that's a story for another day, video for another day. Oh no, you know what, guys? I take it back. I'm not keeping my hair. I'm not keeping it for another use. I mean, I'll do another hairstyle, but if I intend to do bubble braids, if I intend to do bubble braids for this summer, God will give us more money. Amen. I pray I will not be broke by then, and I'm going to just get another hair. And I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to do this wrapping hair method. I don't think I would use it. I'll probably use the rubber band method, because I can just easily find the rubber band, cut it, and keep it moving. So stressful. Do you know what? In all of this, I know that it will come off anyways. See my hair. I loved this hairstyle so much. I'll still keep this parts. I know I can. If I condition it, I don't know whether I should just straight away, Cynthia. Wait, see. It's very soft, so I think it should be savable. I think so. Yeah. I may change my mind. That was so easy. I think I've gotten a hang of how I'll be loosening it. If there's anything anyone can recommend to me to reduce flakes, that would be much appreciated. So people, I'm going to continue loosening the rest of my hair, and then when I get up front, I will show you the technique that I stuck with. I need to get my tempo and know, okay, this is how I'm going to be loosening it from the back. And then when I get to the front, where I can easily show you on camera how I'm taking it out, you know, you would see how I do that. But the method I'm going to stick with will be the cutting method, like just cutting it, but I'll show you when I get to the front part of my hair. Okay, so I'm at the front part now. My hair is very flaky, so this is how I have been loosening them all. So this is my hair right here, right? This is my hair, and this is the extension bits. So I separate my hair from the extension, give it a little space like so, and then go in with the scissors, right? So my hair is this one here, this one, and then I go in with the scissors and chop off like so, and then I have this bit, and then I drag it out, boom, drop that, and then this remaining piece I maneuver it a bit, so I could go in with the scissors, like I'll split the scissors and then go in through any mouth and just like try to remove the knots. Boom, boom, and this is the knot I was trying to like remove, and then that is it. And then I have my hair here. Yes. So let's see if we can do another. So I'm splitting my hair from the extension, yeah, making space in between those cuts, or I could even totally remove this end, yeah, so that it separates my hair from the actual hair. And then when that is separated, I cut this part off gently because I don't want to cut my hair in the process as well, and then chop off. So I have this piece remaining, and then what I just do is to like put my finger in and it comes off, yeah, pretty much. Yeah, this is the other piece as well. My hair is very flaky, and all these ones that I cut off, I'm going to remove my ornaments on them. Obviously I'm not going to throw them like that if I'm going to throw them away. So I cut it, and then it literally just comes off. So that is how I do it anyways. Yeah, I'm going to take out the rest and then show you the end results. So peoples, I'm done here. There are raining flakes over here, so wash it and dry it and get ready for my next hairstyle. I don't know what I'll do yet. I have a few inspirations, but I don't know what I'm moved to do yet. I have a few extensions that I'm going to do for the next hairstyle that I want to use up. I want to use it and discard it. My goal this year is to use things and finish them, use them till they're finished. So yeah, so I don't know what I'll do, but it'll like most likely be like just regular braids, but you know, it's a unique flair to it. Yeah, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you learned a thing or two, please don't forget to hit my face is right, I don't know if it's on this corner or that corner, one of the corners you see my face there, so just hit on that and you see the subscribe button. Just subscribe there. You could just click on the subscribe button below. Turn on post notifications. I'm going to be posting things like, you know, hair videos, and you know, sometimes I'll post like coming to, you know, study or work in Ireland. I'll be posting like some info about that, and it could be like random vlogs, and I believe I will entertain you. Yeah, so T for thanks. And I do like some DIYs as well. I'm still trying to get my intro and outro you know, put together. I don't have that yet. I just do the videos, click record, and boom. I don't have any you know, I'm still figuring all these things out. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and share if you know anyone that is finding it difficult to take out the bubble braids. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video, which I believe might be camera unboxing. I'm not sure now, but see you then. Toodoo!